a.m. At 9:49 a.m., a severe thunderstorm. Course, radar indicated road impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Butler around 10 a.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Lake Ritchie, Lake Butler, and Bethesda. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, until 10:15 a.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Durham and Granville.